This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. Magic ring 6, single crochet, put, that's the marker. Now increase all on the same single chain. You put 2 single crochet, 2, put the marker. Now treble crochet into, make it into a puff, so you have to do 3, yeah? 3 halfway through, same on the same, this is the 3rd round. Some more on the same chain and pull all out. Next, single crochet, yes, 1 puff again, treble, in 3, these are the fingers, and single crochet, and the next one, puff, and single crochet. One more single, okay, one more puff, should be 4 fingers, and then thumb will be a bit further away. All fingers ready. Now the thumb. one single crochet, ready. Now another one more, so it's 2 single crochet there. Now do the puff. Then 1 single crochet and 1 more single crochet, and put the marker. Look, that's the fingers and the thumb. Okay, next round is 1. This is the 4th round. Another 1, and here will be decrease. You have to do 3 times. Yeah. And here 1, and 1, and decrease here. 1, 1, and here decrease. Marker. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. This one all around single crochet. Go around up to the red color. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. 6th round is here single, single, and the other one increase 2. Next one, single, single, increase, single, single, increase. Put the marker, and here will be 1, 1, and 1 all around to the marker. Same only, no increase. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. Round 8. Here will be 1 and 1, 1, and then the other one is increase. Here 1, 1, 1, increase. One, increase. 1, increase. and here all one, go around to that red marker there. I make a knot and I change color. I put BLO on the 9th. You can make it shorter or you can make it longer, the glove. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. The white color is the glove of the monkey. On the 10th round is I'm doing the BLO and change color. The pattern there shows number 9 BLO, so the glove will be shorter, but I'm making it slightly longer. So you'll find out what's the BLO I'm trying to say. You just take one thread of it, one of the chain, one, there you just take one of it. See, I didn't take two there, one, so that is BLO. And you do it. Round 10 to 15 all single crochet. Round 10 to round 15 all single crochet. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. Round 16 I'm going to change color. That will be the monkey's sleeve. So change color, and I'm going to do BLO to show the contrast. Also, take one chain from there, not two. See that? And go around, do the same thing. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. Round 17, no increase, no nothing, same, and no BLO, natural single crochet until the red color marker. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. The next round is one there, one and one, and here will be decrease. Go around the same, one, one, one. This is the pattern of the hand, and I'm gonna start now. We decrease all, hook and hook, decrease, hook and hook, decrease. Do until the red color. Done already that one. Now we're going to sew this to make them look nicer. Make it look small, tighten up a bit. Look, now it looks small there. So you do that to all the fingers. That's the thumb. Now we do the fingers. There, looks nice, isn't it? So you do all three some more. Then you sew your hem bit down like that, one line down from this white. There, hand is done. Next video will be the leg.